It's Christmas in July. Let's make some festive Honey Nut Chex mixed treats. All right, Adorners. So it's time for Christmas in July, and we are making up our cereal bars. Okay, just a treat, kind of like a Rice Krispie treat. All right, so today I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of butter. I'm using salted butter, but you don't have to. We're going to add a pinch of salt at the end anyway, so I'm just putting those two together because that's what I have. All right, I'm also going to be using 6 cups of Honey Nut Chex cereal, along with some jumbo marshmallows between 10 and 12. We're going to use some confectioner sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla as well. All right, so come with me. Welcome back to Adornment with Adrienne. So I've melted down 3 tablespoons of salted butter, and I'm going to add in our marshmallows. All right, Adorners, so I added some vanilla to this, the vanilla extract. Melted down, we have 6 cups of Honey Nut Chex cereal, and I'm going to add that to our melted down. Even though the marshmallow is a little brown, that's because I added the vanilla extract to it. Okay, so we added 6 cups of Honey Nut Chex mix, and I'm going to mix this in with our marshmallows that have been melted down with our butter. All right, well, so we have a cookie sheet that I've lined with some parchment paper. I'm going to add our Chex mix to it and kind of flatten it out so we can make and cut bars out of this. All right, you can see it came out beautifully. I've added some pecans to the top of this that I had left over from our pie crust the other day. All right, so we have some confectioner sugar, 3 cups of confectioner sugar, and we're going to just add in milk, 3 tablespoons, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. All right, and I'm mixing this because I want to make some royal icing in different colors. You can see here I added a drop of green, a drop of red, and I'm just going to keep mixing those drops in until I get the color that I really want. All right, and with that being said, we're going to make our caramel sauce. All right, so we're going to make a caramel topping. We have a few tablespoons of margarine or butter, and then I have about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and I'm going to mix this all together, whisk it together over high heat to create our caramel sauce. So our caramel is done, and I'm going to go ahead and add it to the top of our treats, as well as I'm going to drizzle over our royal icing, our frosting, the red and green. All right, Adorners, so I poured our caramel sauce into a measuring cup, and I'm going to pour this over our Chex mixture. Came out so beautifully. We added our pecans to this. All right, we're going to add some pecans that I had left over from our pie crust the other day. All right, now it's time to drizzle. I'm using a plastic fork actually with our frosting, and I'm just going to dip it in, and I'm just going to drizzle back and forth our royal icing. First the red and then the green. All right, just to make and give it a little Christmas flavor. All right, and as you can see, voila, we have our before the red only, and now we add the green. It really has a beautiful kind of Christmassy feel to it. This is something that you can cut up. You can make it into bars. Oh, I actually added a little sea salt to the top of this as well. A little sweet, a little salty, right? All right, and then so we are going to cut this. You can cut it into bars. You can put it in some maybe wax paper or in plastic bags if that is what you have. Voila, we have a wonderful Christmas in July treat. The cereal was 99 cents using CVS coupons. So that's our Christmas in July treat. I'm so excited about it. I think it came out beautifully. I hope you enjoyed watching. And anyway, as always, thank you for joining me with Adornment with Adrienne. I am your girlfriend or your auntie of lifestyle and decor. And as always, instead of saying goodbye, I say saving hello for another time. Please be sure to click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. See you in the next video. I really like that. Happy Christmas in July, y'all. See you in the next video.